See in the park? Tree. Who can climb a tree? Who can climb? Can you climb a tree? Yes. Who can climb a tree? What is he doing? What is he doing? Huh? He's climbing.
A tree.
He's climbing a tree. Try again. Try again. Try again to climb a tree. What is he doing? He's climbing a tree. He's climbing
A tree.
a tree. Yes. What else can you see in the park? What else can you see in the park?
Play.
Play. This is a swing. This is a swing. Who wants to climb the swing or ride on the swing? Who wants to climb on the swing? Would you like to go to the swing? Yeah? Then go and play. Quickly. Go to the swing. Huh? Who else wants to go to the swing? Who else? Who wants to go to the swing? Would you like to go? Yes, go. What is he doing? He is running. He is
Running.
running. Yeah. What is he doing? Running. Yes. طيب, we would like to go to the swing. What do you think? You agree or not? Agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go to the swing. Come. Come with me. Yes.
لا معايا
Ride the swing. يلا try to climb it. Ride the climb.
مشكلة يعني ان انا لا مش مقصود مرة حلوة في الصور دي مشكلة بس لما اكون لابس ترينج ولا شيء يبقى يعني حلو شوية بس انا في حاجات بنلعب لكن احنا بتوعتنا بس بنلعب
صور بدأ صور
Make a line. Come here. Make a line. Make a line. Make a line. Look at this picture. Look at this. Who can read these words in English? In English, who can read it? Yeah, raise your voice. Come here. Come here. Yes. Raise your voice.
Thank you for keeping the garden clean.
Yes, clap for him. What does it mean? Thank you for keeping the garden clean. What is the meaning of garden? What is the meaning of garden?
Clean.
Garden, garden. Yes, garden. Clean.
حديقة.
What's the meaning of clean?
غسيل.
لا, clean.
نظيف.
Something. Yes. طب, what is the opposite of clean? The opposite of clean is dirty. Say, يعني dirty.
وصل.
Yes. Thank you. طيب. يبقى we are in the garden. We can see three things we are not allowed to do in the garden. What are they? What does it mean? What does this mean? First one. Yes, come here and say. Say it again. يبقى don't play ball. Excellent. Thank you. What else? What is number two? Number two. Who can see number two? What is this? No fire. Excellent. Sober.
Don't bike a ride.
Yeah. Don't ride.
A bike.
Yes, see it again. Don't
Ride a bike.
Don't ride a bike. We clap for them. What are these men doing? These men doing? What are they doing?
Three.
Men. Yes. What are they doing?
Miss.
Yes. Come here. Yeah. What are they doing again? Cutting what? They are cutting the tree. They are cutting the tree. They are Cutting the tree. Yes, excellent. طيب, what are these small things? These small things, what are they? Rubbish. What's the meaning of rubbish? Or garbage? Garbage. What's the meaning of garbage? What's the meaning? This is garbage. Trash. This is garbage. Yeah. Yes. Who collects garbage? مين اللي بيعمل collecting للgarbage؟ ها؟ مين بيعمل لها collecting؟ Yes, yes. Worker. أو cleaner. اسمه cleaner. Okay. طيب, what is this? It's a tree. What can you get from the tree? Come here and see. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. What can we get from the tree? التري دي بنجيب منها ايه؟ Yes, in English. Apple. هذه بنجيب منها orange. لا بنجيب منها وفي واحد تاني. صغير. Yes. In English, what is it? Yes, in English. Dates. Yes. Like, what can you get from other trees? Tree like this. What can we get from? See a fruit. You can tell me a fruit. Come here. Yes, he's seeing what? He's watching what? What is this animal? It's a cat. Yeah. Come here. Come here, Taha. Yes. Taha, come. Come. Every one of you will tell me the name of a fruit. The name of a fruit. What is the fruit you like? What is the fruit you like? What is your favorite fruit?
Apple.
You like apple. Come here.
Banana.
Huh.
Banana.
What
Banana.
I like?
Banana.
I like apple.
Banana.
What do you like?
Carrot.
In English. See a sentence in
Carrot.
English. I like.
Carrot.
Yes, come and say.
Orange. Banana.
I like.
Carrot.
What? I like carrot.
I like carrot.
Yes. What do you like?
Orange.
In English. See a sentence.
Orange.
I like.
I
I
like orange.
like orange.
I like
I like bananas. Yes.
banana.
I like bananas. Muhammad.
I like orange.
I like orange. Who else? Kareem.
I
I
like apple.
like
I like
apples.
pizza.
I like pizza. Is a fruit? Pizza is a fruit? Yeah. What do you like?
I like apple.
I like apple. And you?
I like orange.
You like orange. Who else? What do you like, Taha? You like orange? Yeah. What do you like? You like apples, oranges, bananas. You like bananas. Okay. Yes. You like bananas. What else? What else? You like orange. Thank you. Then, where is the ball? Where is the ball? What is the ball? Yes. What's this? It's a ball. What color is it? Green and white. Type. You look in the garden, and I will ask you about the colors. What color is the tree? It's green. What color are the grass? It's green. Tell me something red here. Point to something red. Something red. Yes. Something blue. Yeah. Blue. Something blue. Yes. Yes. طيب. Okay. Who can swing? Yes. Just swing. Yes. Yes. Use it. You can use it. حياكم الله.